RV living with the geezer. Here come my turkey buddies again. They're getting real tame around here. Here's my hunting dog. Those are the turkeys, Blanca. This is at the RV park where I live in Fort Davis. They're getting real tame. Lady here feeds them, throws them corn. I wish they'd gobble again. They were making some real loud gobbling noises a while ago. Let's just watch them for a second. Can you hear that dove in the background? Just a little nature video. Oh, that was a good one. Thank you all for doing that. I appreciate that gobble. Let's gobble again. Nature at its finest, folks. The mule deer were right over the fence a while ago, the other side of the fence. If anybody's coming down the mountain over there. No, not yet. Some pretty good sized turkeys. They don't look like they're hurting for missing any meals. Fort Davis, Texas, folks. Just a little nature video. This will be the geezer. I'll be signing out. Thank you all for watching. Adios, my friends.